Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can tag on Etsy. So let's get right into it. So to tag on Etsy, what you're going to need to do is you're going to need to create a listing. So let me just go into my shop manager. It is not fully set up. However, I do have this sort of test listing, which I can use to explain to you guys how you can add tags. Now, tags are an important part of your product, and they sort of describe your product in sort of keywords. These are then used to better position your product on the internet for search engines to pick it up more easily, be it in global internet search engines or the Etsy search itself. And once you're down in tags and attributes, you can scroll down until you get to tags, and you do have a full 13 tags which you can use. I do recommend you use multiple word phrases or just pretty much use any phrase in general that is specifically for your item to best describe it. And once you add all the 13 tags, those tags will then enable you to better position your product. So for example, let's say I'm selling a t-shirt. So let's say just custom t-shirt like that. Click add, then a t-shirt as well, and just fill out all the 13 ones you have left, and you should be pretty good. I do recommend you use all of them, but that is completely up to you. This is pretty much all that you need to do. That's it from me. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.